Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We got MAGTECH and 44 Magnum, and we're going to sit there at 150 yards. We've seen how these group at 100, and they're really good. This is actually, before I come across the barns, what I was using to hunt. So now we're going to see what these do at 150 yards. So they group well at 100, so we're going to back it out to 50 and see what these do at 150 yards. So there, you stick around and see how it goes down. Okay, we went third ring, so I'm going to go in between the third and the second ring. Well, I got level. Let's see if this one will put next to it. Okay. All right, so it's about 3 inches apart. I can tell from here. Okay. I'm going to try a penetration test. We'll go down and talk about this after I do the penetration test, because it's already punching 100 degrees here. 150 yards. I'm not walking back and forth. That was me moving. Phew! I moved on that last one big time, but wait. Bonus shot! Let's redeem the last shot. Yeah, definitely within a 4-inch group. Like I said, I'm not on the crosshairs. I'm not zeroed in, so I'm not hitting the aiming on the target itself. I'm moving the crosshairs over because I haven't made any adjustments. So that's why it's a random group. Yeah, definitely within a 4-inch group. All right, just in case that camera angle, y'all really couldn't tell anything from the distance with the camera away. Again, I took the first 2 shots. They're right here. And that's 3 inches, within 3 inches. And then I walked up here, did a penetration test, and walked back, and I was going to do another, another group just to see if I could still keep them in the same area. I didn't adjust left to right on the scope, so basically I was putting the crosshair here, and then I was moving over and doing it that way. And I took these 2 shots. It was roughly the same point of aim. And then when I did these, that was the first shot. And then on the second shot, that was definitely me. I felt on the recoil before that was even over that was a bad shot. And then I did a third shot, found that, so I was aiming roughly the same spot as these and put it. So that's, I mean, it's within 2 inches at 150 yards. So yeah, you can definitely definitely call the MAGTECH 44 mag 150 yard bullet as far as grouping goes through the CVA. So there you go, and thanks for watching.